This is my 2020 Ragley Big Owl. This is a bike I got from chainreactions.com. Got this bike because I got anxious waiting on my M-Bot frame, and I don't regret getting this bike. Let's go over the Big Owl. It's running a RockShox Recon, 140 mils of travel, running WTV I-29 Sarah wheels, with Maxxis DHF in the front 2.5 and DHR in the back 2.4. Put a Horizon bar, Nook proof on it. It's purple. I'm replacing the grips with some race face half Nelsons. Got some frame protection courtesy of my wife. She printed it out. It's a really nice bike. Running a dropper post. It's a PNW Components Rainier 2. I got that out of JensenUSA.com. They have really good deals. Running the stock Ragley saddle. I got this crank set, Eagle crank set, the 32 tooth. The crank set that comes with this bike, it's a Sun Tour or something rather. It's not very good at all, guys. So I upgraded that. Really. Box component derailleur, 11 speed, 11 to 50 cassette, D1X Archer components, electronic wireless shifting. Really like this little box right here. Waterproof. Specialized pedals. Don't know the name of the pedals. I know they're specialized. I got them back in 2014. They really grip my 510s really good. I had this bike for a month now. I used to ride full suspensions, but I got the hardtail bug from watching Hardtail Party. It's a really good channel. Steve has some really good content. You should really check it out. It's my first 29 bike I ever owned. It's a really good bike, like I said, very capable, very good climber, very good reach, very good geometry. I do plan on doing some upgrades. The fork, for once, I'm really looking for a trust message. I know the company now is gone, but I really want to try it out. The wheels, I got some Crank Brothers wheels coming up. But pretty much that's it. I really love this bike. It's a really nice quality bike, and for my trails, it's pretty good. As you can see, there was no hills here, there's no mountains. It's a lot of pedaling, so this bike is really good. Thanks for watching, guys.